Consistency is key, fellas. Consistency is key. Whatever it is that you may be doing, whatever your goals may be, just understand that the only way that you're going to get there is consistency. Whether it is you want to bench a certain amount of weight, or you want to get to a certain body fat percentage, or you want to achieve a certain financial goal that you may have, or you want to start eating clean and just have an overall healthier lifestyle, or maybe you're doing a YouTube thing, right? Consistency is key. The only way that you can grow is by continuously putting strain on whatever aspect of your life that you need to grow, right? So I want to get my bench up to eventually like 315, right? So I got to bench press. If that's my goal, I got to bench press. I can't not bench press and expect I cannot not bench press and expect my bench to go up like that. That's not how life works. I want to hit eventually 1 million subscribers on YouTube. My goal right now is 1,000. I'm at like 267, 268. Yesterday I was at like 230 something, right? So I'm making progress, but I gotta take one step at a time, one foot in front of the other, and be consistent. Be consistent, be persistent, right? Keep doing what I'm doing. It's all about the percentages, right? So I'm gonna make a video about percentages. That's the next video I'm gonna make. But it's all about percentage return. Like, what do you yield? What is your return percentage on what you put out? So like, if I do a video a day for a whole entire year, you think I'm gonna be stuck at 250 subscribers for the whole year? Unless I put out really shitty content, which I believe my content is actually pretty good, I'm not gonna just stay at 250 subscribers. I'll eventually hit 1,000 and 2,000 and 10,000 and 15,000, 20,000, and so on and so forth. But if you're not consistent, if I upload one video a week, that's only 52 videos in a year, rather than 365 videos a year. How you think I'm gonna make more progress doing one a week? No. So what I'm trying to say, fellas, is whatever it is that you're trying to achieve, say, even if you're trying to study for a test, pass whatever it is that you got to do, consistency. Don't stop. Make a routine, whatever it is. You got to go to work. I work 2 jobs. I'm in college. I'm still doing a video a day. I work 2 jobs. I'm in college. I still do a video a day. What is your excuse? You have none. It's not that I don't have time, because you got time to watch Netflix. You got time to play video games. You got time to bullshit around with your friends. Just make time to be consistent. That's all I gotta say. I'm out.